by Hurlinger Chevrolet.
This excellent 2008 Toyota Corolla is equipped with a responsive gas i4 1.8L/109 engine, an exciting manual transmission, has the safety and efficiency of front-wheel drive, and has only 21,381 miles. Its electronic and entertainment features include daytime running lights, W/twilight sensor, color-keyed door handles and chrome grille surround. This vehicle keeps your safety in mind with carpeted floor covering. Call or come by today to arrange a test drive.
Hurlinger Chevrolet is located at 158 Harrison Brookville Road in West Harrison, Indiana. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you soon.